An older, wise doodle dog, with silver strands around her muzzle, is sitting comfortably on a patch of grass. Her young, curious brother, a bouncy doodle pup with wide eyes, sits at her paws, ears perked up, hanging on every word. Older doodle dog, let's call her Luna, starts speaking, her tone calm and wise. Now listen, little one, let me tell you about a creature as peculiar as it is tough, the wombat. The young doodle pup, we'll call him Charlie, tilts his head, eager to learn. Luna continues with a twinkle in her eye. Did you know, Charlie, that wombats poop cubes? Charlie's jaw drops. Cubes? But poop is always round, isn't it? He asks, confused. Luna chuckles softly. For most creatures, yes. But wombats, they make little cubes. That way their poop doesn't roll away, and they can mark their territory without chasing it down a hill. She winks. Charlie, now intrigued, leans closer. What else? What else? Luna, feeling in her element, continues. Wombats are diggers, mighty good ones. They dig burrows so deep, even a mole might get jealous. Their paws are like shovels, and they're strong, like me after a nap. But here's the best part. Luna leans in, lowering her voice for dramatic effect. When a predator like a dingo tries to grab a wombat, do you know what they do? Charlie shakes his head, eyes wide. They block the entrance of their burrow with their butts, Luna says, grinning. And not just any butt, a super tough, armored one. Predators just end up biting a wall of cartilage. Imagine trying to chase something only to get a mouthful of rear-end defense. Charlie bursts into laughter, rolling on the grass. That's brilliant, he giggles. Luna, her tail wagging slowly, keeps going. And though they may look slow, don't be fooled. If a wombat needs to, it can run faster than a squirrel being chased by a cat. Over 20 miles an hour, Charlie. They might look like little tanks, but they've got speed. Charlie's eyes sparkle. So they're like superheroes with super butts and super speed. Luna nods sagely. Exactly. Wombats may seem funny, but they're smart survivors, just like we are. With that, Luna stretches, satisfied with her lesson, while Charlie bounces in excitement, eager to share what he's learned with the next squirrel he meets.